Okay, hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about this new thing in regression called split. Okay, so basically, what split does is if I have a list, uh, 1, 6, 7, and then 8. So if I put here 1A, 6B, 7C, and 8D, if I want to only print letters, then I would have to take away split these numbers to only print the numbers A, B, C, and D. So it'll just be 1, 6, 7, 8. That's it, basically. Okay? So, this is what we're going to do in regression. First, for which is the short form for regression. So if I have a text, let's use that example. 1A, 6B, 7C, and 8D. If I only want to print the letters, all I have to do is split. So the split is basically going to split the numbers and the letters. So I'll just print the letters. Re split. What should I write here? Text. No, not text. Re split. So we have to split the numbers to print the letters. So to split the numbers, we have to use this. Here, R means like regression. Okay? Like the library we're using. And D means digit. So any digit it finds is going to take away. It's going to take that away. Comma text. Now when we print split, it's only going to print the letters. Like this. Just okay. Oh, something happened. What happened here? What? Okay. Oh, I see the. So I see the error. Let's see. Okay. So here we don't have to use plus. Plus meaning it's only gonna find the digits to print it. But here it's gonna basically take away the digits. So now it's gonna print the letters like a good book. Oh, something happened. Is my spelling wrong? Split? Let me see. Something's wrong. Oh, I see the error. That's my bad. So here I accidentally put a list, so that wouldn't work. Now it should work. It should print the letters. Yeah. See? It prints the letters. The reason why here's empty string because first is a number here, basically. Okay? So, so this is split. Let's give another example. Let's say. No. Okay. Let's say text one equals uh yeah, and then we and okay. So if we want to print the letters here, we do the same thing. split, split, oh, split 1 equals 3 dot split. So it's gonna split the numbers and it's only gonna print the letters. Uh, okay. Now when we print this, split 1, that's it. It writes it, right? So that's basically what split is. So thank you everyone for listening to my video. Feel free if you have any questions, you can write in the comments. I hope you like it and bye.